All right, so as always, don't worry about getting the movements perfect. Just follow along the best you can. I'll be your mirror image, and you can have a seat at any time. We'll begin with the feet together or as close as you can, the hands down by the sides. And as you breathe in, the arms float up. They circle in front, draw the hands in towards the heart, and then down towards the earth, sinking the chi. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, sink the chi. Then step one foot out to the side, either foot. The arms float up in front, and the arms float down, the knees and hips soften. Breathing in, rising up like mist from the lake. Breathing out, floating down like a gentle rain. We call this opening the door, the start of the journey. One more time. Rising up, softening down, and then this time the arms float out to the sides like you're spreading your wings. The arms float down, the backs of the hands face each other, the hands float up the midline, and the palms face each other as they float down, coming back out to the sides. So breathing in, breathing out. We call this the falcon flaps its wings. Coming right up the center, and then softening down. One more time. Breathing in, breathing out. This time the arms keep going all the way up overhead. The backs of the hands face each other, then spiral the hands down the center, coming all the way out and around, nourishing the three treasures: the mind, body, and breath. All right, one more time, breathing in, breathing out. And this time the hands face down, and then roll the shoulders forward. The backs of the hands come forward and then back. So swinging the arms forward and down as the white crane loosens its shoulders. All right, one more time. And then circle the arms in front as if you're hugging a big tree. Step one foot in as much as you can, the feet together, then the arms open. And this hand here drifts across, the other one presses behind. Coming back to center, the arms float out to the sides, and then turning the other way, the flying dragon. Breathing in, breathing out. Just a nice gentle rotation. Just never forcing it. Just easing in one more time, the flying dragon. And then from here, circle the arms in front, hugging the tree. Step one foot out a little bit wider, about shoulder width apart. And then from here, the arms open wide, the hands float down. The fingertips point up, coming all the way up the center. Overhead, the arms spiral out and away, the upward spirals. Breathing in as you rise up. Breathing out, letting go. Opening the shoulders and the chest. Decompressing the spine. One more time, the upward spirals. And then reverse direction with the arms coming up and over. The fingertips point down, coming down the center. The hands spiral out and away. The downward spirals. Softening down towards the earth. Breathing in. Breathing out, taking as many breaths as you need. One more time. Then the arms float out to the sides. The hands float down, the backs of the hands face each other. The hands float up the midline, and this time they drift out to the sides. The fountain. Breathing in, breathing out. As we learn to move like water, soft but powerful. Breathing in, rising up, breathing out, letting go. One more time, the fountain. This time the hands float up in front to about shoulder height. Draw the hands in towards the heart as you step in. Shift all your weight over. Then step out to the corner as you push forwards in space. Shift back as you draw the hands in, and then shift forward, pushing the mountain. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time. Pushing the mountain. This time, draw the hands in, the palms face up. Then shift forward as you scoop into the sea. The hands float up to the sky as they spiral out and away, becoming one with sea and sky. Scooping under, lifting up, open, and down. One more time. Becoming one with sea and sky. And then step the front foot back in. The hands come back in towards the heart. Shift all your weight over and step in. Step out to the other corner, pushing the mountain. Nice and easy, nice and slow. No rush. Nowhere to go. Can you be here now? Moving mindfully. One more time, pushing the mountain. This time, draw the hands in, the palms face up. Shift forward as you scoop under into the sea. The hands float up to the sky. They circle out and away, becoming one with sea and sky. Nice and easy. Breathing in as you open. Breathing out one more time, becoming one with sea and sky. And then step the front foot back in, rounding out as you hug the tree. Then both arms float over to the side. They drift on down, shifting side to side like tall grass in the breeze. Nice gentle sway. Then shift all your weight over to one side, tap the heel right out in front. Bring it back in, shift the weight, other side, tap the heel. This time tap the heel, the hand comes right over the foot. Other side, tap the heel, the hand comes over the foot. This time, hand over the foot, the other hand in front of the heart, playing the pipa, the Chinese guitar. Other side, tap the heel, the hands come right out in front. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, play the pipa, the Chinese guitar. And then step back in, hug the tree. Step one foot out a little bit wider. From here, the arms open wide, the wrists cross down low as you soften down. Then as you rise up, the arms open overhead, floating all the way out and down. Gathering the energy from the earth, giving it back to the sky above. Harmonizing yin and yang. Big open. And just coming down as much as you can comfortably. Rising back up. One more time, harmonize yin and yang. And in reverse direction with the arms, circle in front, hugging the tree. Step one foot in a little bit closer. From here, the hands turn, one hand on top of the other. The bottom hand drops down and tosses away. The hand waves in towards the heart and then forward, right towards me. Other side, toss away. The hand waves in and then forward, repulsing the monkey, calming the monkey mind, creating focus and clarity. Breathing in, breathing out. You can lean into it if you like. It's a nice gentle sway. One more time, repulse monkey. And then both hands drift over to the side. The hands float down. They brush out to the corner, circling around and then out to the other corner, polishing the table. As if your hands are gliding on a nice smooth surface, making it shine. In the shape of a figure 8 right in front of the body. It's a gentle rotation. One more time, polishing the table. And then the hands float down, circle in front, hugging the tree. From here, the arms open wide. This hand here scoops under, step in as you catch the moon. Then the top hand goes behind the back just for now. Step out to the corner. The bottom hand tosses the moon into the sky. And then circle it around again, toss away, as if you could toss the moon. This time the other hand comes back on top, catch the moon. Bottom hand floats up, the other hand pushes down. Circle it around again, parting the wild horse's mane. And as always, don't worry about getting it perfect. Breathing in, breathing out, nice and slow. One more time, parting the wild horse's mane. And then from here, the bottom hand comes up, the wrists cross right up top. Then the arms float down, circling out and around, and then back up top, crossing the wrists. Circle it around again, the princess on the mountaintop. One more time, breathing in, breathing out. And then step the front foot back in, hugging the tree. From here, the arms open. Then this hand scoops under, step in, catch the moon. Top hand goes behind the back. Step out to the corner. The bottom hand guides the moon into the clouds. Circle it around again. Toss away. This time, the other hand comes back on top, catch the moon. Bottom hand floats up, the other hand floats down. Circle it around again, parting the wild horse's mane, creating tranquility out of chaos. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time. Nice and slow. And then from here, the bottom hand comes up, the wrists cross. The arms float down, circling out and around, back up top to the mountain peak. Circle it around again, the princess on the mountaintop. All right, one more time. Breathing in, breathing out. Step the front foot back in, hugging the tree. And from here, the arms open wide, the hands float down. The palms face up, one hand on top of the other. Then this hand floats all the way up and over, down the center line of the body. Other side, breathe in as the hand floats up, breathing out, centering. Calming the heart, calming the mind. One more time, centering. This time both hands float all the way up and over, just as much as you can. The hands float down to the waist as you soften down. Then circle the hands in front as if you had a big ball in front of the body, coming all the way around and under, back up to the heart and down. One more time, opening the heart, rising up, softening down. This time making a diamond shape with the hands right in front of the heart, and then press out, sending out all your loving kindness to the world. May all beings be free from suffering. May they be happy. May they be healthy. May they live with ease. And then turning your palms to face yourself, the hands come to the heart. May I be kind to myself. May I feel connected with all beings. May I love myself just as I am. And the hands can float down to the lower abdomen or just down by your sides. You can step your feet together or as close as you can. You can close your eyes or just keep a soft gaze, letting your body rock and sway ever so slightly. Bamboo in the wind. Feeling the sensations in the body. Feel the sensations of the breath. And then bring your attention into your heart, creating an inner smile. Expressing gratitude to yourself for being here today. And if your eyes are closed, you can slowly open them. The hands can come together in front of the heart, and we can finish with a bow. Thank you so much for watching. Your next step is to download your free monthly clickable calendar with daily Tai Chi and Qigong videos. Just click the first link in the video description below to download your free monthly clickable calendar, and I'll see you in the next video.